Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our topic is MS Excel shortcut keys. I hope you like this video and amazing information. If you like this video then subscribe our channel Info and Learn. Let's start. Tulip complete list of MS Excel shortcut key. Tulip. Control plus A, select all. Control plus B, bold. Control plus C, copy. Control plus D, fill down. Control plus F, find. Control plus G, go to. Control plus H, replace. Control plus I, italic. Control plus K, insert hyperlink. Control plus M, new workbook. Control plus O, open. Control plus P, print. Control plus R, fill right. Control plus S, save. Control plus U, underline. Control plus V, paste. Control W, close. Control plus X, cut. Control plus Y, repeat. Control plus Z, undo. F1 help. F2 edit. F3 paste. Name. F4 repeat last action. F4 while typing a formula, switch between absolute, relative refs. F5 go to. F6 next pane. F7 spell check. F8 extend mode. F9 recalculate all workbooks. F10 activate menu bar. F11 new chart. F12 save as. Control plus insert current time. Control plus insert current date. Control plus copy value from cell above. Control plus copy formula from cell above. Shift hold down shift for additional functions in Excel's menu. Shift plus F1 what's this? Shift plus F2 edit cell comment. Shift plus F3 paste function into formula. Shift plus F4 find next. Shift plus F5 find. Shift plus F6 previous pane. Shift plus F8 add to selection. Shift plus F9 calculate active worksheet. Shift plus F10 display shortcut menu. Shift plus F11 new worksheet. Shift plus F12 save. Control plus F3 define name. Control plus F4 close. Control plus F5 Excel restore window size. Control plus F6 next workbook window. Shift plus CTRL plus F6 previous workbook window. Control plus F7 move window. Control plus F8 resize window. Control plus F9 minimize workbook. Control plus F10 maximize a restore window. Control plus F11 inset 4.0 macro sheet. Control plus F1 file open. Alt plus F1 insert chart. Alt plus F2 save. Alt plus F4 exit. Alt plus F8 macro dialog box. Alt plus F11 Visual Basic Editor. Control plus Shift plus F3 create name by using names of row and column labels. Control plus Shift plus F6 previous window. Control plus Shift plus F12 print. Alt plus Shift plus F1 new worksheet. Alt plus Shift plus F2 save. Alt plus equals autosum. Control plus backquote toggle value. Formula display. Control plus Shift plus A. Insert argument names into formula. Alt plus down arrow. Display autocomplete list. Alt plus format style dialog box. Control plus Shift plus tilde. General format. Control plus Shift plus comma format. Control plus Shift plus at time format. Control plus Shift plus hash date format. Control plus Shift plus dollar currency format. Control plus Shift plus percent format. Control plus Shift plus exponential format. Control plus Shift plus in place outline border around selected cells. Control plus Shift plus underscore remove outline border. Control plus Shift plus asterisk select current region. Control plus insert. Control plus delete. Control Ctrl+1 format cells dialog box, Ctrl+2 bold, Ctrl+3 italic, Ctrl+4 underline, Ctrl+5 strike through, Ctrl+6 show, hide objects, Ctrl+7 show, hide standard, toolbar, Ctrl+8 toggle outline symbols, Ctrl+9 hide rows, Ctrl+0 hide columns, Ctrl+Shift+, unhide rows, Ctrl+Shift+, unhide columns, Alt to F10 activate the menu, Ctrl+Tab, in toolbar, next toolbar, Shift+Ctrl+Tab, in toolbar, previous toolbar, Ctrl+Tab, inner, workbook, activate next workbook, Shift+Ctrl+Tab, inner workbook, activate previous workbook, tab, next tool, Shift+Tab, previous tool, enter, do the command, Shift+Ctrl+F, font, drop-down list, Shift+Ctrl+F+F, font tab of format cell dialog box, Shift+Ctrl+P, point size drop-down list, knowledge with Mudasar Awan and the team of Info and Learn. Take care, Allah Hafiz, with heart.